Good morning, students. Now, maths class. So, after exam, we meet. And yes, I have to congratulate all of you, those who have given FA1 exam. They scored almost all good. I don't know how much fair you have given, but I am satisfied with that result. So, congratulations to all of you. But some of you have not given. That is very painful to you, me, because exam is what? After all, consequence of all these things is result. So result is very much important. Exam you have to appear. Some with silly things that some relatives marriage they have not taken, given the exam. It is very upset. So I think you don't miss this exam. Exam here it is FA1, FA2. Every exam is important. Already it is mentioned that if situation is very bad, then that is what is going on, that corona problem, these marks will be counted for your final. So keep that in mind. And exam sitting, it is just those who give an exam score full, it is encouraging for this. And remember, 5th August we are going to declare total result of this, both the stream, both the first year, second year, and all the stream, science, arts, commerce. So wait for this one. And individually, if you want to know your marks, you can ask me. I can say your marks of maths. Similarly, you can ask other teachers also. So now, students, we are going to start our this one, integration. We have already completed that chapters exercise. We have started integration. Exercise 7.3, I think we have finished. 4 also finished. Now 7.5 today we will do. 7.5, it is actually based on partial fraction. Name you have to remember, partial fraction. Partial fraction. Now what is partial fraction? After, if we start one sum, if we do, then you will get the idea of this one. Suppose one example of this one, exercise 7.5, I am doing. First sum, integration x divided by x plus 1, x plus 2 dx. See, this is our question. That is, integration x divided by x plus 1 into x plus 2 dx. How to solve this one? How to do this one? Here we will use by partial fraction. Another thing I have to mention also, that one sum of integration can be done by 2-3 methods, but choice is yours, and we will follow what is our syllabus recommends. This sum in our syllabus also we can do. If we break this, and we can do this in one procedure. So that also you can do, but as it is a partial fraction chapter, so we will do these things by that one. Now let's start. What is partial fraction? In these things, this x plus 1, x plus 2, if we can write this way, here see, a and b are two constants. If I can able to write this in a by x plus 1 plus b by x plus 2, this breaking is called partial fraction. This is the main thing that of this solving. That's why name is given as partial fraction. So that's why I am telling this can be written as this and that. Now without knowing the value of a and b, our these things is incomplete. मैं दोबारा बोल रहा हूँ, ये सम को अगर हम इस तरह से ब्रेक करें तो इजीली इंटीग्रेट कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि ए बी कॉन्स्टेंट हो जाएगा, कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ए बी का वैल्यू निकालने का एक तरीका भी है. तो ये जो ब्रेक किया है, दिस इज कॉल्ड पार्शियल फ्रैक्शन. व्हाट वी हैव ब्रोकन, ए बाय समथिंग, बी बाय समथिंग, ए बाय दिस फैक्टर, बी बाय दैट फैक्टर, दैट इज दिस थिंग्स. Another thing you remember here, this procedure can be applicable if denominator is product of some factors. डिनोमिनेटर का अगर हम इस तरह से कोई फैक्टर में लिख सकते हैं तब यह हो सकता है. दूसरा, power of numerator in variable in numerator in this fraction should be less than the highest power of variable in denominator. डिनोमिनेटर में x का जितना पावर निकलेगा न्यूमरेटर में इसका थोड़ा कम होना चाहिए, तभी ये होगा. तो दो कंडीशन है, two conditions are there. First condition, the denominator should be product of some factors. Second, power of x in numerator should be less than the power of x in denominator. Now see, getting this a and b, how we are doing, just to proceed. If we multiply each term by x plus 1 into x plus 2, LHS becomes x. RHS, a into x plus 2 plus b into x plus 1. See, what I have written, that I have multiplied each term by x plus 1 into x plus 2. So if we multiply this one, x plus 1 into x plus 2, cancel x, it will be there. If we multiply x plus 1 into x plus 2, then x plus 1 will cancel and we can get a into x plus 2. If we multiply this by that, then only x plus 2 will cancel and x plus 1 will remember. Or you can do simplification, LCM you take, then also you can get the same thing. Now, if we putting x is equal to minus 1. Why? If we put x is equal to minus 1, these b terms will vanish. We can get the values of a. It is identity. You can have the right to put any real values of x. यहाँ पे x का कोई रियल वैल्यू तुम लोग बैठा सकते हो क्योंकि a आइडेंटिटी है. तो if we put x equal to minus 1, it will be, if we put here this, then it will be a and b to 0. So what is a? A is here minus 1. If we put x equal to minus 1, it is 2 into minus 1 is 1. If we put minus 1 plus 1, it is 0. So b will vanish, a will this one. Now if we put x is equal to minus 2, if we put, why we have taken minus 2? To vanish this term so that we can get the values of b. Minus 2, it is 0 and this will be minus b. So b becomes 2. So see, this can be written as minus 1 by x plus 1 minus b by this one we can write. So we can write this one as a is minus 1, so we can write minus dx by x plus 1. B is 2, so we can write 2 dx by x plus 2. That breaking for our advantage we are doing, and it is that procedures of solving is called partial fraction. So this we have done. Now if we get what advantage we are getting, one formula is there that in integration, if numerator is, suppose denominator is something and numerator can be written as differentiation of denominator. See the procedure, formula. Integration, denominator is there. If numerator can be written as differentiation of denominator, its value directly you can write log of that denominator. अगर न्यूमरेटर को फ्रैक्शन का ऊपर में जो है उसको डिनोमिनेटर के डिफरेंशिएशन के मिलने के बाद जो चीज निकलेगा वही लिखा जाए तो इसका वैल्यू डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं लॉग डिनोमिनेटर प्लस इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ कांस्टेंट. If we differentiate x plus 1, it will be only dx. So numerator is the differentiation of this one, so we can write minus log modulus x plus 1. This also, numerator is the differentiation of denominator, so we can write twice log modulus x plus 2 plus c. So if we merge, then we can write log 2 will come in power, it gives x plus 2 whole thing square divided by x plus 1. We can write it modulus also plus c. So this is your answer. See, that is the procedure of doing. This method is called method by partial fraction, and this is only sum I have explained. You try to do remaining sum, tomorrow we will do more sum for that one. Student, class 12 is very important. Concentrate on the class. Don't skip the class and give your attendance in the comment box. Your percentage of watching is also required. Board may ask anytime, 80% of percentage is mandatory for you. So that much for today.